Hi there, students. Turmoil. Turmoil is normally an uncountable noun. Okay, turmoil means a state of extreme confusion, where extreme agitation, a commotion, a tumult. Okay, so for example, my mind was in turmoil when I discovered I'd lost my job. I was in confusion. I didn't know how I was going to pay the bills. I didn't know what I was going to do. How would I explain this? Would I be able to find another job? That's turmoil. Yeah, is when something or somebody is really agitated. Yeah, there was turmoil among the crowd when the police started throwing tear gas. Yeah, there was turmoil, there was just extreme confusion. Yeah, people were really uneasy and running around, moving around. Okay, so a state of disorder, that is turmoil. Now, you could have economic turmoil. I personally think that COVID has created economic turmoil among many of our companies. Yeah, they don't know what to do. As I said before, you could have emotional turmoil. My mind was in turmoil. I was confused and there were different thoughts zooming around my mind. You could have political turmoil. So there was political turmoil in the when was the last? Well, yeah, in the Thatcher era, when was the Grunwick strike, and there were people complaining and protesting against the poll tax. That there was political turmoil. Yeah, there was turmoil in the Capitol building. You could have social turmoil, yeah, where there are massive social changes, and people are unsure what to do. Everything's confused. It's mixed up. Yeah, it's completely mixed up. You could have inner turmoil. Yeah, this is a bit like your emotional turmoil, where you're not exactly clear about how you feel, and there are different contrasting things. Yeah, there are different contrasting desires within you, or something like that. Okay, so turmoil. Yeah, this inner or exterior movement, disorder, a great state of disorder, of things going everywhere. So, turmoil, disorder, chaos, that's a good word for turmoil. There was turmoil as a result of the underground strike. There was turmoil on the roads. There was turmoil in the factory when the workers went on strike. Yeah, your mind could be in turmoil, in confusion, a stir, upheaval. Brouhaha is a good word. A tumult. I haven't used that word. There was bedlam, pandemonium. There was a huge commotion, turbulence. Okay. Notice as well, normally we use this in the phrase in turmoil, to be in turmoil. In is the dependent preposition going before. Everything was in turmoil, so remember to use that in. We had complete turmoil for a week when the builders were here. The crowd was in turmoil at the outrageous things that the speaker had said. Okay, so turmoil, how formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary. I think maybe informally a I would talk about chaos, disturbance, trouble, something like that. And then the next question, what about origin? Well, there's a suggestion it could come from the old French word remouille, which is the hopper, the container of a mill that feeds things into it. But I don't know. Maybe the hopper's always in turmoil. It's always moving around. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Turmoil.